Welcome guys, today I am with the TCL 205 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first, when we are in the photo mode and when you tap on the screen, as you can see, by tapping we can catch focus, and also when the focus is set up you will hear this notification sound. Another tip will be about the volume buttons that we can find right here. So when you click volume up or volume down, you can take photos. You can also adjust function of these volume buttons. So we have to open the settings. Next you have to pick volume key function and switch from shutter, for example, to zoom. And take a look how it works right now. When you press and hold the volume up, you will smoothly zoom in and zoom out with volume down. When you want to use the zoom feature, you can also zoom with your fingers, so you can just pinch screen like that. That's very simple, as you can see. I think that we can go forward and we can open the more modes. Right here we can find, for example, filters. And as you can see right here we can find a couple of the presets. They change the color and the temperature. If you want to take photo, for example, with this one, just tap on the shutter and the photo was taken. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the X and it will be back with the capture mode. Another useful option will be right here, it's called the burst shot. So when you click and hold the shutter, our smartphone is taking a series of the photos. And you can find all of these photos right here in the gallery. And you can pick this one that fits you the best. As you can see, it looks like short animation. I think that right now we can simply go for the settings, because we can also find here a few useful options. Like for example, we can scroll down and we can find the countdown duration. So this option will add delay to our shutter. We can select between 3 or 10 seconds. After tapping on the shutter, this delay will be right here, and after this time the photo will be taken. Right now we can turn it off and we can enable another option, touching photography. So this option allows us to take photo by tapping on the screen once. So it will be useful for you when you, for example, hold the phone with your one hand and you cannot use the second one. For example, you're holding something and you can only click like that. Okay, so for me, that's all for the TCL 205, the best and the most interesting features that you can find in the smartphone camera. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.